Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2017 Kawasaki Versys 300. This is Kawasaki's entry-level adventure sport touring motorcycle. Has a 296cc 2-cylinder fuel-injected engine, 6-speed transmission. This is a clean title California bike. Bike has 10,347 miles on the odometer. This bike is mostly all stock with the nice upgrades of the RNG crash guards. Has a nice rear cargo rack. The 2-cylinder fuel-injected engine runs very smooth, very reliable, easy to ride, nice upright seating position, great around town, great in the back mountains, and price right at only $37.99 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. Reach that 408-730-0600.